This question we have received from Bangladesh, Huzur. This is about the Islamic teaching regarding the ladies' participation in the funeral. So he wants to know in detail, that what are the teachings actually.
Ladies are not prevented from attending the funeral of their dear ones. In my observation, throughout Qadian and Labba, the ladies did participate in the funeral prayers, but they are not promoted, they are not encouraged, or should I say, they are not permitted to go to the Qabristan, the graveyard, for the burial ceremony, because that is a very touching moment, and ladies may abandon their patients and begin to cry out and say something which is against the concept of true patience and submission. So that is why they are not allowed to go to the burial place along with the dead, but to say his funeral prayer, they are most welcome. Sarojini Naidu is called the Nightingale of Bengal. Right? I'm asking you now.
I don't know this much ever.
Do you know?
বাংলাদেশের নাইটেঙ্গেল কাকে বলা হতো?
Sarojini Naidu, was she a good singer or why? Was she? I see. So our Sarojini Naidu is Shaukat Hadi, and she remained to be, inshallah, our Sarojini Naidu. After the marriage ceremonies are over, she will return. And until that time, you are the male Sarojini Naidu. Please. Any poem of your choice. किस कदर हुस्न बदा किसको दे हुस्न बदा कुदरत का प्यारे हर तरफ है अजब जलवा तेरे कुदरत का प्यारे हर तरफ जिस तरफ देखे वही
दीदार का जिस तरफ देखे वही राह है तेरे दीदार का। तेरी कुदरत का कोई इंतहा पाता नहीं। तेरी कुदरत का कोई इंतहा पाता नहीं। किससे खुल सकता है पेच इस खुदाए दुश्वार का। किससे खुल सकता है पेच इस खुदाए दुश्वार का। है तेरी प्यारी निगाहें दिलबरा एक तेग तेज। है तेरी प्यारी निगाहें दिलबरा एक तेग तेज। जिनसे कट जाता है सब झगड़ा में आ गया का। जिनसे कट जाता है सब झगड़ा में आ गया का। शोर कैसा है तेरे कूचे में ले जल्दी खबर। शोर कैसा है तेरे कूचे में ले जल्दी खबर। खून हो जाए किसी दीवाना मजनू वाखा। खून हो जाए किसी दीवाना मजनू वाखा। किस कदर ज़ाहिर है नूर उस मबदान अनवार का। बन रहा है सारा आलम आना अब सार का।
Beautiful voice, huh? Allah has blessed you with a charming voice. So translation please.